Okay, right, I've just started a cycle for the jump clean. Dr. Beckman's I'm on, I think that's what it is. Yeah. I've put it on a cotton 60, the intense with extra wind, so I've done what it said in the instructions to put it on a regular 60-degree cottons. And that's what I've done. Usually I do jump clean when I do stuff like that, but obviously it does a pre-wash on jump clean, so obviously that wouldn't work, so obviously I've tried this cycle. I managed actually to do the pump yesterday because I was having trouble doing it, so, and I've just done the drawer downstairs, cleaned out the drawer, so. And then I do also use calcol in some cycles as well. Usually with towels I do that, because I'm always good using it with clothes. I know you can use it in every wash, but I don't. It's not dissolved just yet, the Dr. Beckman's, but once it starts rotating, it should do. And also it does do power streams on this wash, distribution power streams, whatever you want to call it. Should be just coming up through the seal there, by the looks of it, yeah. There we go. It does usually rise anyway when the water starts heating up to 60 anyway. There we go.